experiment is to measure and compare the weights of different objects using a spring balance. The material required for this experiment would be a spring balance and a set of small objects such as a pencil box, a metal spoon, a small stone, a water bottle, or anything else that you find around you which you want to, if you want to check the weight of that object. So hold the spring balance vertically and just hang the object below it and note the reading from the scale. Let us understand how to do this experimentally.
So this is a spring balance. As you can see, on one side the scale mentions Newton and on the other side the scale mentions grams. So the reading says on Newton you can measure weights up to 20 Newton using this spring balance, and from the gram side you can measure weights up to 2000 grams, that is 2 kilograms, using the spring balance. There's no zero error in our spring balance. As you can see, the pointer is exactly at 0. So we will now use the spring balance to measure the weight of different objects. I'll be using this. I'll be finding out how much does this weigh, and then you can repeat the same experiment using different objects and find out the weights of different objects using a spring balance. You can see that initially the pointer is at 0. I am holding it vertically. You can also hang it using some support. And when suspended freely, you can see that it points to 200 grams or 2 Newton. So that is the weight of this particular object. So you can repeat this using different objects and fill in the table given in the book.
So the conclusion that can be drawn from this experiment is that the spring balance measures the weight of an object, not its mass. Heavier objects cause a greater extension of the spring, showing higher readings, whereas lighter objects, they will extend the spring less, showing lesser readings.